Hello friends, it is very big question in front of all the institution, universities regarding NAAC visit is which type of activities we should perform so that we will get A++ from NAAC. So guys, there are so many activities but some activities are very much important and that every institution university should organize before NAAC team visit. So let's see what are they. First activity is here seminars. In that national and international seminars come, just like as intellectual property right and women entrepreneurship. Our second point comes about the workshop. That workshop should be with practical knowledge. Here example is given: cybercrime, GST, cryptocurrency and many other related to your subject. Third one is here quiz competition and fourth one is debate competition. This is also very much important. Next one is the industrial visit and educational visit. Institution should take their student in the industry for improving their knowledge. And last one is the community development program. So friends, in this video only this much. For more information, you can subscribe the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video and giving your valuable time.